Hi guys, and welcome to the video for the review of the AI Niche Site Builder Blueprint. Now, I've been reviewing this for the last week, and I must say this is a really nice app and training. Now, I've been testing the app. It works very well. I've already started to see traffic generated from the app, and I'm going to show you inside in a moment. But I want you to take a look on this page here, and you will see some of the stats here that you can see inside the training. There's a full case studies, everything else, and you will see some of the sales generated as well. And these are like kind of small niche sites that are just generating income on autopilot. So if you want something really quick, really easy to get going, this is the one for you. And as I said, look down and you'll see everything that's generated via this site. So you can see one here. This is one of the biggest sites, over $5,700. And this is the stats from July that Josh just gave me. And you can see here, he generated over $1,000 just in July, just from one site. Okay. So as I said, this is a verified method. It does work. It's an app plus training. Now, for the bonuses, I have put together an amazing bonus pack. Now, my bonus pack is for the front end, so you don't need to purchase any upsells, although there's a very, very nice funnel behind this, so pick and choose what you want. But to get mine, all you need to do is purchase the front end, and I have an amazing bonus for this. Now, I've got a lot of new content. Most of this content comes with PLR. You actually get 16 PLR products, including software and including training. Okay, and it's all focused on traffic. Now, the AI Niche Site Builder is all traffic focused because, with these small niche sites, you want as much traffic as you can get there. All my bonuses will help you do that. So the first one is Click Flow Goals. So it's a daily traffic planner. So you can set up daily actions, things like that, to get more traffic to your sites. Comes with full PLR. So you get source code to the app, sales page, delivery page, marketing, graphics, and everything else included. So with all these PLR products, you can sell as your own, pass on the resale rights to the package, which is super, super valuable. So what that means is you can sell it to someone else and they can also resell it themselves. So, really super valuable add-on. You can use as a bonus for other products. You can create and add to membership sites, and you can install and sell access as well. So we've got the ClickFlow playbook with that as well, which is an ebook, comes with an audio book, lead page, delivery page, marketing pack, graphics, and you get the full installed version as well. So what you can do is you can use that to give it away if you want and upsell the application. So you've got a headline heat map, which is all about creating headlines. Again, this comes with full PLR. You've got the link magnet analyzer. So what this does, it looks at link-worthy sites on Google and see, on your own sites as well, to see if you can get some good link traffic from them, which is a perfect tool to use with the AI Niche Site Builder. And again, comes with full PLR. We've got Ad Page Doctor, which again will tell you what's wrong with your page, what you need to change, which again is perfect for the niche site builder. And again, it comes with full PLR. Repurpose Rocket. This will turn blog posts. So in the niche site builder, it creates blog posts on autopilot. You can turn those into short form video scripts, social posts, emails, and more with Repurpose Rocket. So you can take the content that AI Niche Site Builder builds for you and turn that content into even more content. And again, that comes with PLR. Retargeting Replay. This is all about building retargeting to your niche sites. And again, comes with full PLR. Traffic Flow Social Planner. This is all about setting up social traffic. Now, you want as many backlinks, and social is great for backlinks to your niche sites. And this is perfect for that. And again, it comes with full PLR. And you've got the ebook to that as well. You've got the audio book. Everything else, again, comes with full PLR. Traffic trends tracker. Now, this will track your clicks, your views, your traffic sources, and it will identify what the best traffic is. And again, this comes with full PLR. And you've got the ebook and the audio book as well to go with that. And again, that comes with full PLR. You've got Share to Unlock, the Pro version. This is a WordPress plugin that it locks down pages, and then you've got to share certain sections of the page to get access to the rest. Great for creating viral traffic. Again, comes with full PLR. Traffic Boost helps you get the most out of your traffic that you've already got on your site. And again, comes with full PLR. Traffic Surge, all about traffic, 20-minute video course. Again, comes with full PLR. You've got Content Mastery Blueprint, get out. Comes again with full PLR. You've got the video course to that as well. And the app, again, all comes with PLR, all about blogging, blogging success secrets, blogging for profit. Pin to Win, again, nice ebook, again, comes with full PLR and resellers. The video course to match that, again, comes with full PLR and resellers. And the Smart Pin Studio as well, again, to go with that. Then you've got the Pinterest Autonomy, Pinterest Profit System, and Pinterest Profits as well. So as you can see, this is a huge front-end bonus. There is no upsell bonuses. Buy the front end and you will get that full bonus. And everything there, as I said, as I've mentioned, comes with PLR. So, huge bonus. Everything is congruent to what you're buying because everything is to do with traffic. Okay, so this starts at $34.95, I believe. The price is held for the first 6 hours. Then it's going to go up, I think it's every 12 or 24 hours. So make sure that you get this at the first possible chance. This bonus will be closing, I believe, on the 18th. I think it's on the 18th of August. So don't wait. Make sure that you lock this in. Right, so what I'll do now is I'll jump over to the AI Niche Site Builder. I'll show you the training. I can't show you too much of the training because obviously I can't give that away. I'll show you what I've been doing with the AI Niche Site Builder so you can see I've been using that as well. Okay, so here we are in the AI Niche Site Blueprint. Now this is the training that you get access to, and you also get access to the app as well. So every one of these all come with more videos. You've got the case studies here. So the case studies is the ones I would go through first. So see what's possible with this. So motivate you to actually, start using it. So look through the case studies first and go through the training. I would do this before you started using the app. Go through all the training first, then start using the app. Now each training section comes with more training. So I'll just open this so you can see. So it's not just one video in each module. You've got multiple modules as well. Okay. So really nice training. I've been through the training myself. It's very, very in-depth. If you follow it, you will get some results. So go through the case studies first, see what's possible, then go through the training, then jump across to the app and start setting the app up. Because how this works is the training tells you how to do everything, everything that you need. The app kind of automates it. Okay, so let's jump over to the app now. Okay, so here we are inside the app. Now the app does the automation for you. It's very easy to set up. You can see it's already started to post out for me. And as I said, I've already started to get some traffic. I haven't got any sales yet because it's only been running, I think, 3 days, something like that. We can already start to see a little bit of traffic. So this is the site that I've got set up. It's onlinesuccessmodel.org. You can see here it's working. I added it on the 10th, so 3 days ago. And you can see this is the project that I'm using it on. So you can see at the moment it's waiting. It's waiting to post another post, I believe. So let me just jump to that. The latest one was today, probably about 20 minutes ago. Now it'll show on my dashboard probably later today. But you can see what this does. What it does, it creates the post for you with keywords. It does syndication. Also creates multiple users. So it doesn't just look like yourself who's posting. And it sets up your site. It kind of creates everything that you need on your WordPress site to make this work. So go over to projects. Let me just walk you through this so you can see. So you add in what you obviously want the project to be. I'm going to be targeting Make Money Online because I'm going to be using some of my apps on there to make money online. Add in the site, which you can add in multiple sites here, but I've just added the one. So you can kind of link everything together. Then you've got the geo location, so you can target multiple locations for different keywords. So you can see I am just targeting England and I'm targeting the United States. Now, if you want to target different ones, you can just tick those and obviously add those in, and you can pause a campaign and add different locations in as well. Then the keywords I'm targeting is money, online, success, niche, affiliate marketing. So you can add 10 keywords in there. Then you've got the content. So what it does, it starts to create your content. Now, it generates the content itself, and you can add in things like keywords. You can add in your country, state, city, zip. Then you can also rewrite those as well if they're not kind of what you want. You can select dynamic images, videos as well. You can add tags in there. And then what you can do is once that's done, you just let it kind of do its thing. Because then what it'll do is constantly automate and build more links into your sites. Now, SynLab, I don't have SynLab. So if you do have SynLab, you can enable syndication there. So what that means is you can post out for you to like kind of social media posts and things like that. You set the schedule. So it's just gathering the data. Don't forget, this is already running, so I'm not going to stop it. So I'm doing a maximum of 30 posts on this site. So I want to do the 30 posts, see what happens. Then I can set it to more or less, whichever one. Maximum posts a day. And minimum post a day and maximum post a day. So I don't want to be doing more than 3 a day. And then, as I said, I'll see how it goes, and what I'll do is either up or lower that. But at the moment, it seems to be working. So then you just click next. It'll give you a summary. As I said, I'm not resetting this because it's already running. Then I'm posting to one site, targeting 2 countries, 138 states, 72,000 cities and 85,000 zips. 6 keywords entered, and then as you can see, I've not set any images or videos. I'm going to add images in here as well. So I'm making 26 additional posts for the schedule, and I'm posting 3 per day. Now, once this has run, I'm going to see what kind of traffic I get, and then I'm going to test it with images, and I'm going to test it with videos as well. Okay. So that's how to do it. It's so simple. Once you've added one in, you can easily link the sites together and things like that. Now, this software, coupled with the training and the case studies, at $34.95 if you get in early, plus my amazing bonuses with all that PLR and all the apps that will help you get more traffic here. That's the great thing about my bonus, and that's why it's so congruent. Use my apps to help you generate more traffic to these sites that you're adding in. So be quick, make sure that you get access as soon as you can, because as I said, it's going up all the time. And my bonus will be closing at midnight on the 18th. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.